Welcome to the PowerPoint for Work and Studies course. In this course, you will learn most of the things, if not all, that can be done using PowerPoint. We're going to start with the basics and learn the basics of graphic design, video making, and many more functions of PowerPoint. By the end of the course, you will not only learn about slides and slide making, but also a lot more. And to top it off, at the end, you will get a practice quiz for the LinkedIn assessment test. Upon passing that, you are guaranteed to pass the real test if you are giving the test in 2021. If you are not taking the test, or if you are taking the test after 2021, it will still help you prepare better for the test as the quiz consists of previous questions. The course also has 6 projects where you will learn to make the very thumbnail of this course. You will learn to make animation videos using PowerPoint. You will see my entire real-life work and thought process of making banners. You will learn to make slideshow videos using transitions. You will learn how to make a resume using PowerPoint. Besides all that, I uploaded a few more projects on YouTube that are free for all. If you are a student, a teacher, an office worker, or someone who wants to know about the amazing PowerPoint software and boost your career, then this course is for you. Feel free to take a look at the course description or watch the next video for the course description, and I hope to see you in the course.